Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to crack someone's password over the internet on a website. The knowledge and the code that I give you here today, I'm not responsible for what you do with it. It is considered quite illegal, especially if you don't have someone's permission. I will be cracking my own password on Minecraft today. So there's a couple things you're going to need. I'm going to be using Firefox. You can do this with any browser, but I suggest using Firefox as well. You're probably going to want some sort of editor. You could use Notepad, but I suggest something like Notepad++, and you're going to need FileZilla and a web server. There's other ways you can access a web server, but I think FileZilla is probably the most popular. So to get off with, first you need to do is get the files. To do so, go to the link in the description, or if you're already watching on the page, it's right there. So there will be CSS and passless, and you need to download that. Here, I'll download it to show you. So there's the CSS file, and there is a passless.txt, and then we also have the PHP code. So if you click this, that will copy it, or you can just go in here and then copy it and then download it into a file. I have already done so here, and so there's a couple things we need to do. First, we need to select the username that we're going to use to crack. I am going to use my username, John3050. John3050. I would suggest you do not crack mine because I'm going to changing it from a password that's not on the pass list. So it won't be possible, so there's no reason to try. So I gotta say that. And we also need to get this. So I believe I've already put this here. If not, type out echo, copy this right here. This is the string length of the results. Just put that there. And I'll tell you exactly why we need it in a second. Because we need to be able to test whether it what is a failed login and what is a successful login, and that's how we differentiate. Okay, so first we need to know is what the form looks like. Okay, first this is username, and then this is password. That's a that's pretty usual. Okay, so all you have to do is go up here and say where's log. I think it may already be username on the file that I've uploaded to the website. Password. So some of this is already done for you. And then we just need to see where it's posting. So if I go over here and we go forum, and then we go, where is it? Forum action. There you go. It's just HTTPS Minecraft login. That's simple enough. Okay, so now we need to attempt to log in. So it should be, here it is. Okay, so there's going to be a little comment saying this is where you put the URL, you just put it in there. Okay, so I believe everything is good to go. So now we need to upload this to the server. Select all these files, drag it in. The biggest file is definitely the pass list. Just let that go. So now I just need to navigate to my website. /cracking. This is going to be deleted after cracker.php. Let it just load. Okay, so yeah, this is what you're going to see. You may or may not see this. This is all the login attempts, and this isn't very important to us. Second, let me just go back. So these are definitely failed login attempts. Oop, username and password. Okay, so what I have to do is go back over here, and I just got to change what we have here, echo results, remove that, save, because that's kind of just messy. That's very messy. Also, actually, one second. This would probably be easier if you put a dot, and then you put 2 quotes and go HR, horizontal ruler, so we can differentiate what it actually is. Okay, I'm just going to upload that, and now I'm just going to refresh it again. Okay, so a failed login looks like, ooh, this is apparently a successful, oh no, okay, that makes sense, okay. So we need to put this to 7370. I mean, yeah, 7370. Copy that, and then go and put this in this, right there. And then just save, and then upload the cracker. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to actually close your browser because you've already started up a session. So just copy the URL, close the browser, open it up, paste it in. 7370, login attempts, John 3050, just let it go. It should crack it. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back when it's done. Okay, it has finished cracking. It was actually quicker than I thought. And it turns out the password was just numbers. So I can, I'm definitely gonna blur that out. And I am gonna change it, but if I go to log in, and I attempt to log in, of course, Minecraft, the reason why I choose it is because they don't have the meanest protection, and it's a website everybody knows. And as you can see, it logged in, and it works. So this cracker is going to be available on my website, and it works pretty good.